Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Work in a well-ventilated area and protect your work surface with paper towels. Inspect the cast iron and remove loose food particles with a dry brush or cloth before you start. Put on gloves if you prefer and ensure good lighting to see pits and rust spots clearly. Arrange the pan flat and steady on the counter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F so it will be ready when you finish cleaning and apply oil for seasoning. Wet the rust eraser slightly under warm water before you begin to soften grit. Rub the eraser firmly over rust spots using even strokes until bare metal appears. For stubborn rust, repeat rubbing with moderate pressure and rotate the pan for better angle access. Rinse the pan under warm running water and use a nylon brush if needed to remove residue. Dry the pan thoroughly with a towel and then heat it on the stove for 2 minutes to evaporate remaining moisture. Apply 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil and spread a very thin coat over the whole pan. Wipe excess oil away with a clean paper towel until it looks barely shiny and not sticky. Place the pan upside down on the middle rack and bake at 350 degrees F for 1 hour to polymerize the oil into seasoning. Turn off the oven and allow the pan to cool fully inside before removing. Store the pan in a dry place with a paper towel inside to absorb moisture and protect the seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.